loves, in today's video, let's go shopping for my tree. Snagged this like the first day of December. I wanted to do Vlogmas, but it's just a lot has happened. My son broke his foot, so that set me back. But I am going to try to put up weekly vlogs and give you guys a lot of hair inspo content. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned to the end. It gets good in the end. And let's get into this video.
Is she missing a lot of pieces? Yeah. Like she's missing so many pieces. I have to come back with the white and really look at her. And then this one.
So I decided to just go ahead and grab the tree. I fell in love with it, and so it came home with me, and she's going to be in front of this window this year. So if you're interested in seeing me put up a few Christmas decor, stay tuned to the end.
Coming this weekend, get 10% off Target gift cards with Target Circle is found within. When he dismissed her again, the old woman's outward appearance melted away. As punishment, she tried to Rose. If he could be doomed to remain a beast for all.
Will light tremble again to my dear one's gorgeous refrain?
What I'd give to relive just one more return as lovers do.
Looked at me that way before.
Shit. Oh, he borrowed.
I suppose a squirrel come out this tree. Every time I find leaves in these trees, I think of squirrels.
What are you reading?
Look, that treatment allows you to escape.
The place in Forks that just alive and you just hear them alive are those people. Because those are people. That's
Amazing.
yeah, they're actually people.
It's the cruelest trick of all. It's just another curse. The outside world has no place for a creature like me.
I'm going to hang up my stocking stuffers here, but in later clips I'm going to show you a way that you can cover this. If you go to your local tree area, if you're buying a tree, and sometimes even if you're not buying a tree, they'll give you extra pieces so you don't have to, you know, buy more garland. I have 2 large pieces of garland, but I do want to get more. But instead of just buying more, I just end up getting extra pieces while I was at the tree farm, and I'm going to use that to cover up the silver here on the mounts that holds the stocking stuffers, and that's just a great way to cover it up if you don't like the color of it. So they came in silver. I had them from last year. What I do like about this year is that I don't have to spend extra money. I have enough Christmas stuff. Here is the extra pieces that I did get. I did get quite a few, and I'm going to change out my vase that I put in my room, and I'm going to stuff my extra pieces in there, so when I need to clip one off, I'll have it. Here I have this thing where I like the kids to like help with a tree decoration so that they can have one that's sentimental to them. So Ashton is working on one. Ariana did as well, and these are some lights that I ordered from Amazon. You actually get 900 lights for $20, under $20, and I never realized that it really takes that many lights. And I use every single light, and I realized, yeah, the lights come in a pack of 200, so 200 plus 200 plus 200 is 600, right? So close to 900, not that close, but close to 900 depending how many packs you use. With these lights, you only need this one roll, and it's 900 lights, and they do 8 different settings. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave the link in my link tree, which will be linked down below. And they're so pretty. I'm actually showing you here the different settings that they carry. It's 8 different. I like the steady one because a lot of that flashing is just not good for my eyes. And so this setting here is the actual steady one. I put this tree up December 2nd, which is my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. And all I want to say is, how did she do this? Like, I asked myself that question all day as I was putting up the tree and putting the lights on. I was like, how did my mom do this? Now, I get it why you guys buy fake trees, because it's just so much more convenient and easy. But it's just something about a real tree. The smell, the pine, it's top tier. It's like tradition. Me and Mom, we did it every year, and now my family, we do it every year. We're about to switch over to fake trees at some point, but I always talk myself out of it because I just don't like the way a lot of those fake trees look, and the really nice ones are mad expensive. So yeah, this tree made a mess because that's part of the cycle when you buy a real tree, but it pays off in the end because your house smells good. It's beautiful once it all comes together. So I spent some time arranging it. I'm moving that out my room so I can have the vase to put the extra pieces of Fraser fir pine in, so whenever I need to clip a piece for some decor, I'll have it. And it's just a very minimal way of doing things. So here is the vase that I'm going to be using, and I'm just going to stuff a few pieces in and just make sure, you know, it looks aesthetic at the same time. I'm just not using it to store it there. You get it, and then I'm gonna put a bow. So with these extra stems that I got from the tree farm, I'm going to use them to enhance my garland and make it more longer. You'll see here where it's just not long enough. It did cover it, but it just needed to be more fuller. I just wanted more dramatics. So what I'm gonna do is go in with those stems and add pieces. I bought that piece of garland halfway and left the rest so it can actually drag on the floor. I just think that makes it more dramatic. And then I went in with those extra stems and I just mixed it in on both sides. One side is just the Fraser fir, and then the other side is the garland and Fraser fir mixed. And I do love how it came out. It is way more dramatic than before and way more fuller than before. I'm officially done. I mean, I'm not officially done, but I'm done with like the biggest part of it. I feel like I need to put a branch in this corner.